This is video of Lila's eating spaghetti. Say hi. Say hi. You don't have to have the camera. She's been eating spaghetti all by herself. There's her mess. What? You mad now? Are you mad? Are you mad now? Here's your drink. Here's your drink out. Yeah, that's funny stuff. That's funny, girl. Gonna eat your spaghetti? Uh-huh. You're so silly. You're so silly. Where'd Lila? Here she is. Where'd she go? This funny girl. Where'd Lila go? There she is. That's funny. Where's Lila? Where'd Lila go? There she is. There's her sketty. Oh, but eating big stuff like a big girl. Yeah. I see that spaghetti. Good job, Lila. Good job. Good job. You got a noodle. Good job. You got another little noodle. You're so funny. You're so silly. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Aunt Trinity and Uncle Don and Annalie. How are you guys doing? I'm big girl. I can eat spaghetti all by myself. Good job, Lila. Good job, Lila. Careful with that fork. You silly. Good job, Lila. Good job. Good job. Your Aunt Trinity would be so proud of you eating that spaghetti like that. Yay, Lila Mae! Silly girl. What's a big girl? We're going to have a bath in a minute. Yeah. A bath. That silly girl. Grab your drink too. Look how big. You silly. Is that where your drink goes? Right there. You're a mess. You are. You're a mess. Ta-da! You're big. Okay. Say bye-bye. Oh, here comes the kids. Hi, Ferris. Say hi, Ethan.
Hello. Mama.
Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.